Hello everybody, welcome back to my Country Sparkles channel. We are in mid-March here, and so we are full into planting and getting seedlings started to sell in the end of springtime. We're just right at the beginning right now. So I want to show you something that I got this year though. I got this for my birthday. My husband got them for me. They are Epic Gardening seed trays. They have a whole bunch of holes in the bottom here for air pruning, and it also allows for great water drainage so you don't get root rot. So all these little spots where the roots can go through, they can be air pruned, which will help the plant to not get all root bound, but also keep the plant growing because the roots inside will be healthier because they won't be all root bound. And if they're exposed to air, then they'll just kind of dry up. But this encourages still strong roots, but just in a smaller area instead of just like winding and twirling amongst each other. So we have been loving these pots. We started using them last year in our gardening. So these are little 6 cells and in pink, of course, so that's even better. Okay, so I'm gonna fill up our seed trays here. My dirt is super dry, so I'm going to actually plant seeds tomorrow, but I'm gonna fill it up with dirt today, so that way I can moisten it tonight and then we can plant tomorrow. So all I do is I fill it up by hand. So this dirt had a lot of bark and big pieces in it, so I put it through like a mesh colander strainer thing. I can't even find that right this second, but to take out all these big chunks, because if you put these big pieces of wood in like here, then it's really hard to get plants in there, right? So took all those out by sifting it, which gave us this nice light soil with not giant pieces in it. And so this is how I fill up the seed trays, and that's it. And I'm gonna put them on over here on these trays to keep the water from just gathering and puddling everywhere in my greenhouse. And then these trays, if I want to bottom water too, I can just pour the water in between here, and I can feed them from the bottom, so that way you don't like water out all the seeds up top or get them water too deep, which will make it so they won't grow as easily. So you can bottom water on these, which is really nice. These are also from Epic Gardening, and we are loving the trays. There you have it. We are starting our plants, and another set of plants right now. We already have pepper started, and we are starting tomatoes. So I wanted to show you filling up a couple of these seed trays from Epic Gardening so you can see what they look like and kind of understand why all the air holes down there. We also love that this is such minimal waste. We started using these last year. These are new this year to me. And so the first year for the pink ones, but we used black ones last year, and we have really liked them. They have held up so well. It's so much better for the environment to be able to not just have to throw away our trays every year or every couple years. I could see these lasting for a very long time. So thank you so much for joining us in this video today. And if you have any questions, let me know about these epic trays, and I will also put a link down below for you. Thanks, you guys. Bye.